Want to speak real Greek from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at GreekPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Chris Papadopoulou. Γεια σε όλους, είμαι η Χρυσή Παπαδοπούλου. Welcome to the Greek Whiteboard Lessons. In these lessons, you learn how to talk about the days of the week in Greek. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have Δευτέρα, Monday. Δευτέρα, Δευτέρα, Δευτέρα. Does the word Δευτέρα sound familiar? Well, it derives from the word δεύτερος, which means second. So basically, Δευτέρα for us Greeks means the second day of the week. Next is Τρίτη, Tuesday. Τρίτη, Τρίτη, Τρίτη. The numerical pattern continues here. This word comes from tritos, which means third. So Tríti is the third day of the week. Next we have Τετάρτη, Wednesday. Τετάρτη, Τετάρτη, Τετάρτη. You guessed it. Τετάρτη derives from τέταρτος, meaning fourth. And then we have Πέμπτη, Thursday. Πέμπτη, Πέμπτη, Πέμπτη. This is considered to be the fifth day of the week, as it derives from the word πέμπτος, meaning fifth. The next day, though, doesn't follow the same pattern. So up next is Παρασκευή, Friday. Παρασκευή, Παρασκευή, Παρασκευή. The name of this day literally means preparation in Greek. Then we have Σάββατο, Saturday. Σάββατο, Σάββατο, Σάββατο. And last we've got Κυριακή, Sunday. Κυριακή, Κυριακή, Κυριακή. Please follow the same pattern for all the words on the board. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the day. Find out what day it is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Τι μέρα είναι σήμερα? What day is it today? Σήμερα είναι Τετάρτη. Today is Wednesday. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Σήμερα είναι day. Today is day. Now let's look at some other examples. Σήμερα είναι Δευτέρα. Today is Monday. Σήμερα είναι Παρασκευή. Today is Friday. Σήμερα είναι Κυριακή. Today is Sunday. Did you know that if you combine the words Σάββατο and Κυριακή, you'll get the Greek word for weekend? It's called Σαββατοκύριακο. 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 Do you remember how to say Monday? Δευτέρα. Δευτέρα. And how to say today? Σήμερα. Σήμερα. Do you remember how to say today's Monday? Σήμερα είναι Δευτέρα. Σήμερα είναι Δευτέρα. And how to say Sunday? Κυριακή. Κυριακή. How about Wednesday? Τετάρτη. Τετάρτη. Do you remember how to say today's Thursday? Σήμερα είναι Πέμπτη. Σήμερα είναι Πέμπτη. And how would you say Tuesday? Τρίτη. Τρίτη. Do you remember how to say today's Friday? Σήμερα είναι Παρασκευή. Σήμερα είναι Παρασκευή. Last but not least, how would you say Saturday in Greek? Σάββατο. Σάββατο. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about the days of the week in Greek. Thanks for watching. I'm Chrissy Papadopoulou and I will see you on GreekPod101.com. Τα λέμε!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.